everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your iPhone is new, refurbished or a replacement from Apple. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and find the general option and tap it and go to the about section. Here you will see your model number and the first letter of this number tells you what kind of device you have. From there, if here you see the M, it means the brand new, sold directly by Apple as a new device. If you see there F, it means refurbished, previously used, restored and resold by Apple. If you see there an M, it means it's a replacement, issued as a replacement for another device. If you see there P, it means personalized, customized with an engraving but still new. Another way to verify if your phone is new is by checking the battery. For this, go to the settings in your phone and select the battery option. From there and click the battery health and charging option. Here you will find key details. First, use date. If this matches the month and year you got the phone, it's likely brand new. Manufacture date shows when the phone was made. Battery cycle count starts at 0 for brand new phones. If the count is already high when you first get the device, it means it's been used before. By checking the model number and battery details, you can tell whether your iPhone is new, refurbished or a replacement. If you found this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.